Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to evaluate the limit and justify each step by indicating the appropriate limit laws. So we have the limit as u approaches -2 of the square root of u to the fourth plus 3u plus 6. So what we're going to do is we're going to separate these limits into different steps that all come down to the limit as u approaches -2 of u, which we know is equal to -2. Now you could probably just plug in -2 here, but they want us to take the limit law steps of going step by step and separating this into various forms of this. So if we have the limit of the square root of all of this, that means we can take the square root of the limit of the inside. Right? And of course, this is the limit as u approaches -2, but I'm just going to say the limit, so I'm not saying the same thing over and over again. So you have the limit of u to the fourth plus 3u plus 6, and we're taking the square root of that. And the next step is to say, okay, we have the limit of these three things added together. That means that we have three sums of the limit. We have the limit of u to the fourth plus the limit of 3u plus the limit of 6. Now our penultimate step is to say, okay, the limit of u to the fourth is the limit of u to the fourth. The limit of 3u is 3 times the limit of u. And the limit of 6, right, no matter what value we put in for u, 6 is just equal to 6. Now we have, like I said earlier, this in terms of these individual limits of u. So now we can plug in, because we know that this is equal to -2, this is equal to the -2 to the fourth plus 3 times -2 plus 6. -2 to the fourth is 16, 3 minus 2 is -6 plus 6. 16 minus 6 plus 6 is 16, and the square root of 16 is 4. So therefore, the limit as u approaches -2 of the square root of u to the fourth plus 3u plus 6 is equal to 4.